Hello friend, today we are studying denaturation due to the freezing. Myself Rohini Sudhakar Chavan, Science College Nanded, BSc second year, paper number 8, unit number 4. These are the frozen fishes. Purpose of freezing and chilling: to lower the temperature and thus slow down the spoilage so much that when the product is thrown after cold storage, it is virtually distinguishable from the fresh fish. Denaturation of fish proteins due to the frozen storage. Proteins of fish muscle undergo chemical and physical change during the frozen storage, when may result in, under certain conditions, a long period of storage, poor freezing practices, temperature fluctuation, loss of quality, reflected mainly by the unacceptable texture as well as undesirable flavor, odor and color. In a frozen galoid fish species, most of these changes are caused by the production of a formaldehyde in a muscle. Formaldehyde is produced along with a dimethylamine by the enzymatic reduction of a trimethylamine oxide. Many aspects of a formaldehyde production by TMAO and demethylase TMAOs have been studied throughout the last decades. Additional different approaches have been used to investigate the effect of a formaldehyde production on a protein denaturation and the association muscle texture change. Some insight into a reaction between the protein formaldehyde has clarified the possible mechanism of a formaldehyde mediated denaturation. However, evidence of a covalent bonding between the protein and a formaldehyde to form a cross-link has not explained fully by the change of observed in a fish protein during the frozen storage. The study of cold-induced denaturation of protein might give new clues for a further investigation of the problem. The implication of a formaldehyde in a toxicological and nutritional issue is also reviewed as a general concern about the safety of food product in a growing field of food science. Finally, the different approaches have been proposed to avoid the detrimental action of formaldehyde during the frozen storage of a galoid fish. They are some of the practical application of a knowledge acquired after a year of study of different workers in the field. Protein denaturation and functionality losses. The frozen storage is one of the most important preservation method for maintaining macrobiological and chemical stability, extending shelf life of a food product. Deterioration in texture, flavor and color resulting from a biochemical enzymatic functional change in a protein. However, problem associated with the freezing and subsequent storage at a sub-freezing temperature for many fish and processed food. Freezing induced protein denaturation, enzyme inactivation, related functionality loss are commonly observed in a frozen fish, meat, poultry, egg product and draught. The muscle protein are particularly susceptible to freeze denaturation compared to the plant derived protein, and these are especially true for a fish species. Denaturation of protein during the freezing and frozen storage can be monitored by the measuring and altering in a protein surface hydrophobicity, amino acid composition, conformational stability, solubility, aggregation, and enzyme activity. Loss in a function property of a proteins are commonly associated by the comparing water and water holding ability, viscosity, gelation, emulsification, foaming, Y formaldehyde depending properties. Thank you.